Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Currently we are en route to my favorite greenhouse. They sell tropical plants almost all year round, and we're actually on the hunt for some real life garland so we can make our house kind of more like outside, or it smells good, or Christmassy I suppose. So yeah, maybe we'll take you inside with us to show you around, because it's pretty cool there, as it's actually a big koi pond inside. Some really nice big tropical plants. So come on, let's go. Yeah, I'm actually gonna pick up some saucers for some of my plants that I got that don't have saucers. So instead of getting the floor all wet, I'm like, just put them in there. You got some nice tropicals right there. Stuff here. Oh, that gigantic croton, very old. You can see its tree form, quite beautiful. Sometimes when they come in here, my son Miles actually feeds them. It's quite nice. Big Kimberly Queen. Got a nice big rubber tree in here. Quite nice and big. Also, big white birds of paradise right back there, if you can see it. Very nice. Okay, so we're back outside. We got some bundles of garland stuff, or I guess just pieces of trees, really. I think I might go with the cedar, because I think the smell of cedar is my favorite. Look at that. All right, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us, and stay tuned for more. Adios.